This is off my 97 International. And situation arised because in 96 and 97, International and Spicer got together and made these wonderful differentials. That's an N400, and that's geared in 391. And this is junk. That back rear is shot. And I think the front rear is probably in just about as good a shape. So the logical thing to do was to cut that nonsense off and weld the back half of a Freightliner with airliner and 355 gears under it. So with my Cat and the 10-speed, that gets me a little more speed at less of an RPM. So that makes me happier. So let's go over here to the Freightliner and check it out. So here is what's left of a Freightliner Coronado. This is like a 05 probably. And the cab is down there in the weeds somewhere. It had a 60 series Detroit and a 13-speed, which we will use in something else. Radiator in terrible shape. I don't think you're supposed to be able to see through that. And a locked up AC compressor. This does run. I had it running. I snapped that belt off, turned it over with a bar. I was afraid it was locked up, but it was just accessories that were locked up. EGR motor. And somebody put a Borg Warner on here and made the variable geometry air solenoid BS go away. So here we are finally putting this thing back together after cutting it in half. There's the inner frame rail to go in there. I just was grinding that. I'll weld it here in a minute. All stitched up, and then that cross member will be shorter, and there's some more around here somewhere. Shorten them up, put some cross members up through here, and tie everything together. There we got International, and here we have Freightliner. Grab some shocks from the Fleet Pride man. Yeah, coming back together. Run down and get a drive shaft made. Next, we'll probably weld that up and then do what we did over here. Put the frame rail in. Once that frame rail's in, then we gotta drill holes. I might go ahead and start drilling some of these. Yeah, you want to be famous?
No thanks.
We're gonna drill some holes and bolt this frame rail in. And then put these back in. Plus a few. She's back together in one piece. $280. A little extension. Ooh, got a little dirty in there too.